People think YouTube Shorts don't pay any money, and up until about a year ago, they were right. Shorts didn't generate much revenue. But YouTube recently launched a program that changed everything. Now, creators can earn anywhere from get views on Shorts. I know started a Shorts channel. People think YouTube Shorts don't pay any money, and up until about a year ago, they were right. Shorts didn't generate much revenue. But YouTube recently launched a program that changed everything. Now, creators can earn anywhere from 10 cents to 50 cents per 1,000 views on their Shorts. And while that might not sound like a lot, it's 10 times easier to get views on Shorts compared to long-form videos. For example, one creator I know started a Shorts channel just a few weeks ago. By posting once a day, they're already earning $3,000 a month. And that's not an outlier. There are creators making $10,000, $20,000, or even $50,000 a month from YouTube Shorts. In this video, I'm going to break down how you can get started with Shorts, find the right niche, and start making money online. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you a tool that can make the process 10 times easier. Let's dive in. First, let's tackle the myth that Shorts don't pay. YouTube's new revenue sharing program pays creators based on ad revenue, which means every single video you post has the potential to earn money. While it's true that you'll earn less per view compared to long-form videos, Shorts are far easier to go viral with. For example, a Shorts channel that gets 10 million views a month can earn anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000, depending on the CPM, cost per thousand. Now compare that to long-form videos, where you might struggle to get even a fraction of that reach or views. Plus, unlike TikTok, YouTube doesn't limit what videos can earn money. TikTok's creator fund only pays for certain videos, but on YouTube, if your video gets views, it gets paid. No gatekeeping, no restrictions, just your content and the views it generates. And here's the best part. Even if you stop uploading, your Shorts can keep earning money. There are creators who haven't uploaded in months and are still making $30 to $40 a day from videos that have long since gone viral. That's the power of YouTube Shorts, passive income that keeps coming in even when you're not working. Now, let's talk about picking the right niche. This is one of the most important steps. You want to make sure you're choosing a niche that not only interests you but also has demand and the potential to go viral. There are many niches on Shorts that are currently blowing up. Wholesome content. People love feel-good, heartwarming videos. For example, someone might post a clip of a random act of kindness, add a text overlay and a voiceover, and boom, it goes viral and racks up millions of views. Celebrity gossip, channels that post short, snappy updates about big personalities, like Mr. Beast or even trending celebrities, are seeing incredible success. One creator I know hit over 120 million views in a single month just by posting once a day. DIY and life hacks. People love learning quick tricks that make their life easier. A lot of life hacks videos, especially ones that are visual and easy to follow, can see massive engagement and views. The key here is to find a niche that is not just trending, but also something you feel passionate about, or something you can consistently create content around. Keep an eye on trends across social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram and see what's working there. Adapt those ideas for YouTube Shorts with your own twist. A common question I hear is, how do I get monetized, especially if I'm using clips from other sources? The good news is, you can still get monetized as long as you add value to the content. Here's how you do it. Add something extra to the video. If you're reposting content from platforms like TikTok or Instagram, make sure you don't just post it as is. Add a voiceover, music, captions, or a text overlay that provides more context or gives the video a fresh spin. When you transform the content in a meaningful way, YouTube allows that content to earn money. One creator I know took TikTok clips, used AI tools to generate a voiceover and captions, and added additional commentary to make the content stand out. Even though YouTube initially denied their application for monetization, they appealed and got approved because they showed they were adding enough value to the original clips. Now, before we move on, I want to hear from you. If you're ready to start making money with YouTube Shorts, or if you've already tried it, drop a comment below. What niche are you thinking of? Or if you have any questions, I'm here to help. I'll be sure to reply. Getting monetized is only the beginning. If you want to make serious money with YouTube Shorts, you need to go viral. Here are 3 key things to focus on. A great hook. You've only got the first 3 seconds to grab someone's attention. If you don't hook them instantly, they'll scroll away. Ask a question, make a bold statement, or show something shocking right off the bat. Retention, AVD, your average view. Duration, AVD is crucial. If people stop watching after 10 seconds, your video won't perform well. Keep your shorts short and sweet, but make sure they're engaging from start to finish. Use arrows, zooms, and captions to guide the viewer's attention throughout the video. Swipe rate. This refers to how many people continue watching your video versus those who swipe away. A good swipe rate is above 85%, which means you've got to keep viewers engaged throughout the entire video. For example, one creator posted a clip of a barber giving a free haircut to a kid. They found the clip on Instagram, added captions and a voiceover, and it blew up to 6 million views in just a week. Why? They focused on emotion, made the content visually dynamic, and created a compelling story. Finally, here's one of the most important tips. Consistency is key. Many creators give up after posting a few videos and seeing little to no results. But the truth is, every successful Shorts channel I've seen has been built on consistency. Commit to posting 1 video a day for 60 days. This gives you time to learn, improve, and grow. After a month or 2, you'll start to see a pattern of what works and what doesn't. Once you gain momentum, you can scale up to posting multiple times a day. One creator posted daily for 3 weeks before they started seeing consistent views. After that, their channel took off and their income grew. The secret to success with YouTube Shorts is sticking with it, even when things feel slow at first. If you're serious about making money with YouTube Shorts but don't know where to start, I've got something that can help. There's a course I highly recommend that teaches you step by step how to pick a niche, create viral content, and get monetized. The course even includes tools and templates that speed up the process. I've seen people go from $0 to $5,000 a month by applying the strategies in this course. What I love about it is that it's affordable and it's packed with value. Plus, you'll be learning from experts who have already made this work. If you're ready to take the next step and fast-track your success, click the link in the description below. This could be the shortcut you've been looking for. YouTube Shorts is one of the easiest ways to start making money online right now. You don't need a huge audience, expensive gear, or months of preparation. All it takes is a little creativity, consistency, and using the right strategies. Success doesn't happen overnight, but by following these steps, you can see results sooner than you might think. Don't wait. Get started today. Choose your niche, post consistently, and let the views and income start rolling in. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips on making money online, and don't forget to check out the course linked below. I can't wait to see you succeed.